Hey makers, this is Dhruveen and I welcome you all to another step-by-step series for Power BI. In this series, we are going to talk about one of the interesting concepts of Power BI, which is Power BI data flows. So, initially I am dividing this entire series into 7 different parts, and this series is more focused at beginner and intermediate level, but definitely in future I will add some advanced concept like AI capability as well as incremental refresh capability for Power BI data flows. So in future, whenever I upload the new video, you will check the latest link always down below in the description box. One more important thing, I launched my own Instagram page where I am uploading different short tips and tricks related Power Platform. So if you wanted to be a part of my Instagram family, do follow me on my Instagram. The Instagram ID is available here or maybe in the description box. Also, one more important thing, as you are watching the introduction part of the series and if you wanted to move through the another part of the same series, the links are always down below in the description box, and always check the description box for the latest episode of the same Power BI data flows. So without wasting much time, let's get started and talk more about Power BI data flow in detail. But before that, let's go with my introduction and overall course summary for this step-by-step series. Here I am on my machine, and let's get started with our Power BI data flow step-by-step series. But before that, let me talk about the introduction about me and the overall course outline that we are going to cover throughout this entire session series. Myself Dhruvin Shah, and I am working as Power Platform Specialist and Microsoft 365 lead at one of the reputed company at India. I am an active blogger and YouTuber, having published 120 plus articles and 600 plus tech videos on my YouTube channel. You can follow me on all my social media handles using this simple URL. The URL is very simple, which is linktree/dhruvin.shah. Once you click on this particular URL, or if you simply type linktree/dhruvin.shah, it will open up the browser window for you. From here, you can follow me on all my social media handles. So if you are looking for any consultancy, just click on this website. Over here, you will receive my contact page, and from there you can connect me. Apart from that, you can follow me on all my social media like Instagram, LinkedIn, blog, Twitter, Facebook, and GitHub repository as well. I recommend everyone to follow me on Instagram because here I am uploading different posts, reels, IGTV, and short content related Power Platform. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram, and the Instagram ID is very simple, which is Power Platform Guy. Apart from that, follow me on my LinkedIn, blog, and all other social media handles. Now, without talking more about me, let's get started and let me talk about who can get started with this course or who can refer this course. So the course is more focused on the basic concept of the Power BI data flows, and this will help to all the beginners or professionals or intermediate level of user who wanted to use Power BI data flow for their real project. The course is 100% free and created with the purpose of free education for all. No such episode is paid over here onto my channel. So apart from this one course, which is Power BI data flow, I have so many other playlists as well on my YouTube channel, and which are 100% free, and you can simply visit my YouTube channel and just go to the playlist section, and over there you will find all my playlist. So if you just open up this created playlist section, you can see I have uploaded so many courses for you, and not only for Power BI, I have the courses for Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents, Teams, and SharePoint as well. Apart from that, we are doing some live events as well on every month in Hindi, as well as some Power BI event in English. So stay connected with me and subscribe my channel so you will never miss any updates from my YouTube channel. Now let me talk about what do you need before we get started with this particular course. So make sure that you have activated one Power BI Pro trial license and one Power BI Premium per user license activated, because into this particular data flow step by step series I am going to explain some premium features as well. So if you wanted to do practice, you need to activate premium per user trial into your tenant. As well as there is one more option, you can create your own developer account, which will give you 60-day trial for pro license and 60-day trial for premium per user license, and you can try different things over there. Also, one more important thing, you need the gateway installation, because for this data flow step by step series I am going to use SQL Server as data source. So make sure that you install the on-premise data gateway as well. And if you don't know how to install that, don't worry, I am going to explain you that thing into later part of this series. So stay tuned throughout this end. Now, let me talk about the overall series agenda that I am going to cover into next 7 part of the series. So initially I have designed the series into 7 part, but in future I am planning to expanding this series to advanced level over here, because over this series at this moment I did not cover some AI concept, but I am planning that in future I will add some more videos. So always check the description box of the same video, so you will get the idea that what next episode I have uploaded there. So maybe the course of content may be differ from the description box and over here if you are visiting this video in the future, because in future based on the updates rolled out by Microsoft, I will make the appropriate update into my videos and I will update the latest link over here in the description box. So check the description box for the latest information. So first of all, in the first episode of the series, I am going to talk about what is Power BI data flow and why it is important, and in which scenario or in which use cases you can use data flows. Then we will configure our first Power BI data flow. After that, we will talk about two important concepts of data flow, which is link table and computed table. Now what do we mean by that? I will talk more about this thing into third episode. Then we will talk about how we can take a backup of our Power BI data flow or how we can import the data model. In the fifth episode, we will compare Pro and Premium features for Power BI data flows. In the sixth episode, the data flow that we have created, we will load that into our Power BI desktop and develop some report on top of that. And at last, we will be talking about direct query for Power BI data flow. So once you develop your data flow and you want to load that data flow as a direct query into your Power BI report, then how can you do that? We will talk about that into the seventh episode. Apart from all of this episode, some advanced thing is already in my mind. One thing I talked about is AI feature, and second one is something which is incremental refresh. So these are the topics. Maybe in future I will prepare some videos on top of that, and if you need those videos, feel free to add your suggestion in the comment section, because that will inspire me to create more videos onto this particular series. So this is the overall session agenda that we are going to cover into next 7 part of this series and maybe in the extended part of the series. So now in the next session we will talk about what is data flow and when to use Power BI data flows. Meantime, if you have any question, feel free to add your question in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. I am uploading regular content related Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents, Teams and SharePoint on my channel. So make sure that you hit subscribe to never miss any updates from my channel. If you are looking for any consultancy, here is the website link. Click on that. Over here, go to the contact page and send your query to me. If you are interested to follow me on all my social media handles, click on this link. It will redirecting you to this Linktree page. From here, you can follow me on all my social media handles. I recommend everyone to follow me on Twitter and Instagram because here are the platform where I am uploading latest information. And I recommend everyone to follow me on Instagram because it is the platform where I am uploading different posts, reels, IGTV and short content related Power Platform. If you are interested for audio podcast related Power Platform, here is the podcast channel. Click on that. It will redirecting you to this page. From here, you can listen your favorite Power Platform podcast on your favorite podcast platform like Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Spotify, and much more. If you are interested for different short videos related Power Platform, here is a separate channel called Digital Dhruvin. Subscribe that channel and show your love over here as well. With this is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session with some amazing content. Have a great day. Goodbye.